How to log in to Frollo app step by step. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today in this video we are going to learn how you can easily access your existing Frollo account using the Frollo application on your smartphone or tablets. First of all, to get started, open the Frollo application from your app drawer. You'll then be greeted with this welcome screen on the page. To log into your existing account, click on Login from the bottom of the screen under Register for free. Now click on the Continue button to get to the sign-in page for Frollo. Here, you'll need to go enter your email address associated with your Frollo account. Go type it down carefully. Once done, head over to the next field and type in your password for your Frollo account. Make sure that you've typed in your correct password. If you don't remember your password, you can get help by tapping Forgot Your Password link under Continue with Email. But if you have the credentials correct, click on Continue with Email. And there you have it. You have successfully logged in to your Frollo account. If you have two-factor authentication on, you'll be prompted to enter the verification code sent to your email or phone. You'll land in your dashboard of Frollo account where you can view your account, budgets, and spending. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.